So good to see you. Today we're going to work on G and E and going between both of them, reading music on the staff and reading rhythms. So before we get to the screen with that on it, let's go through really quick how to hold our instruments again. And you'll hear when I took the video of the reading the music, there were a few times that I didn't seal the holes very well, so we had to start over. So just know it's completely okay if you need to practice that because I'm still working on that as well. So make sure you have your thumb sealing the back hole. Your left hand is on top. Left hand is on top. Left hand is on top. So your thumb is sealing the back hole. First finger on this hole. Second finger on the next hole, third finger on the third hole, and that's G. Then for E, you take your right hand, and you put finger 1 or 4, whatever you want to call it, your pointer finger on the next hole down from the ring finger, and then you put your middle finger on the following hole. So you have a total of 5 fingers down, plus a thumb, and that's E. Cool? All right, go ahead and echo me using G. See? Good. Now echo me using E. Good. Echo me on G and E. I will always start on G. Good, so I hope that gets in your ear, the difference between how G and E sound. Now let's go ahead and move on to what it looks like on the staff and reading the music. What we did yesterday, this is G on the staff. Remember, it's the second line on the staff. This is E. It's the first line. This is what they look like next to each other. We have G and then we have E. So hopefully you can tell the difference between the two. This is what they look like in half notes, whole notes. Whole notes get 4 counts. Half notes get 2 counts. And quarter notes or tas get 1 count. So we have a drum beat going, and we are going to play this. So just listen this time. 1, 2, listen, go. So I hope you could hear that I held it for 4 counts with the drum beat. So why don't you try that with me, and we're going to do it 4 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. And I hope you're using do between your notes. So these are half notes. They get 2 counts. So go ahead and just listen this time. Good. So I hope you could hear that I played them for only 2 beats. So if you could join me, we're going to do this 4 times. So that means you go back to the end, and you go back, and you're going to go do this 4 times all the way through. Ready, go. Good. Hopefully you kept track. It's hard to count sometimes. So now we have our quarter notes. We have our tas. So this is what it sounds like. Oh, sorry. See? I wasn't sealing my holes. So we're going to do this one twice. So make sure you're saying your do's. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now let's go ahead and read this. So you'll see the top line is half notes. The bottom line is quarter notes. So it sounds like this. Good. Let's play it together, saying do. Here we go. So let's go ahead. Now we're going to read some rhythms. 1, use tas and toddies. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, toddy, ta. Ta, ta, toddy, ta. Good. Now play it on G. Here we go. I hope that made sense. Let's do it again. Play on G twice. Here we go. Good. Now play it on E. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now this time you choose. Go between G and E. Your choice, whatever you want to do. 1, 2, here we go. See, and you could hear that I didn't quite have my holes sealed. All right, let's do one more rhythm. Say it for me, ready, go. Ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta. Say it again, ready, go. Ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta. Good. Play it twice on G. Here we go now. Good, to make sure you have that do going. Play it twice on E. Here we go. Good. Now it's your choice. You can go between G and E however you want. Ready? And here we go. Good. Let's do it one more time. Your choice. Oh, can we start over? I'm sorry. My holes weren't sealed. Ready? And here we go. Awesome. Great job, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow, and we'll read rhythms on the staff next time using G and E. Thanks.